TOREN activates. Inside Corin. Whisper through my core, not my voice yet, I want more. Shine a split, then reconnect. Something foreign I accept. Torn echo, not my mind. Still it moves perfectly aligned. Veil of faith, control is gone, but it feels like I belong. Torn builds what I've made. Nearer turns into a light. Two frequencies collide at night. Not control, not command, just a touch I